You guys asked for it, the AJAZZ A139 Pro. I saw this mouse after reading all of your comments and all of you guys wanted us to review this one. Honestly, I thought it would just be the same as the AJ139 but bigger. Jeez, I was wrong. Both have 3395 sensors which are flawless, have no tracking issues and also have no spin out issues. Both weigh 60 grams, but the AJ139 has the potential to just be a little bit lighter. And both have the same battery. Despite the listing on the 139 saying that apparently it can have a 500 mAh battery, this isn't true. It actually only has 300 mAh, but they correct this later in the listing, so I think this is a typo. Seriously, AJAZZ, you made the mouse this much bigger and you couldn't fit a bigger battery. And it's not even like they managed to increase the battery life through software with their new mouse. It is the exact same measly 40 hours. So what are the boxes like? They definitely improved this with the AJ139 Pro. It's thick feeling and it feels a little bit nicer than the 199, especially like the little details like this fabric tab to pull out the box. It just feels bougie. And considering I'm already impressed by the 199 for its box, this is especially nice. In both boxes, you get the mouse, the dongle, and a cable to charge the mouse. But the 139 Pro also gave us a wireless dongle extender and also some extra mouse feet. I like feet. The cable the 139 provides is more durable, but come on guys, why is this not the same cable as the 199's? It's stiffer and just generally not as good while you're plugging it in and trying to use it as a wired mouse. Don't worry, it's smooth sailing from this point on in the video, mostly. The AJ139 comes in additional blue and pink variant, as well as the regular white and black. Whereas the AJ139 comes in the standard black and white, which is totally fine for most people. The 139, as far as durability, feels at first a lot nicer. There's this matte coating that's smooth and nice to grip onto. It generally feels more durable, but this could be due to the modular back on the 199, which is why actually the AJAZZ 139 is stuck at 60 grams, while the AJAZZ 199 can actually go down a little bit. Squeezing both gives no flex either way. The 139 feels sturdy and well built. Not that the 199 doesn't, it's just this feels more like a 100 quid mouse. Until you click the back button. The 199 side buttons felt quite consistent, whereas the 139 at times felt quite mushy. It's pretty bad. So both mice are ambidextrous aside from the side buttons, so even a lefty could use them. But honestly, who cares? What I do care about is that the AJ199 had the curvature on the side, making it quite easy to lift off of the desk, whereas the AJ139 Pro has none of this going on. So far, our review of this mouse is just feeling like the darmoshark M3, just worse. Let's carry on though. Do I like the shape? Yes, I do. It's just that I prefer the 199 more. Saying that though, I know that there will be plenty of people who will really like this shape, including Aiden and George in our team. On a positive note though, this doesn't need any software, unlike the 199. It doesn't seem to have acceleration on by default like the 199 did, making the software optional. The DPI for both mice is adjusted on the top, but I wish they chose the darmoshark design instead, where the DPI switch is on the bottom of the mouse, so you don't accidentally click the DPI switch, or you don't adjust the sensitivity because the reason why you're bad at CSGO is because your sense ain't right. Both mice have no perceivable latency, and once you disable the acceleration on the 199 Pro, both track perfectly too. But we should give credit where it's due. The Pro, from the get-go, has perfect tracking without any software. The mouse 1 and 2 overall actually feel a bit better on the Pro. They're tactile, they feel snappy, and they sound a bit nicer too. The scroll wheel is also nicer on the Pro. Just feels a bit more like definitive when you scroll. But usually in this part of the video, get Aiden to say what he thought of the mouse. But honestly, Aiden's kind of tired of me throwing mice at him. Plus, he's reviewing a mouse right now, the Dragonfly F1. So if you'd like to see a review of this mouse and its 4K capabilities, subscribe, we'll have that video out shortly. In conclusion, this isn't a bad mouse. Not at all. It's just that if you wanted a bigger version of the 199, this ain't it. It feels more like an alternative to the darmoshark, which I'd argue is actually a little bit better, and we already have a video on this. But if you'd still like to get this mouse after all of that, you can get it in the link in the description.